5 Secrets to Making Moondrops Grapes Giant. Hello. Today we will talk to you about the moondrops grape, which everyone is amazed by on the internet, but many say, I don't believe it. As you can see, its fruits are like fingers and their color is pitch black. There are secrets to growing it. Today I will teach you how to get such a harvest in your own garden without any chemistry. Secret 1. Sorting the harvest. The biggest mistake is to leave everything. If there are too many grape clusters on a branch, the grapes will be small. Therefore, leave only one cluster on each branch. Cut off the rest. Then the plant will give all its strength to one, and your grapes will be giant. Secret 2. Watering correctly. Reduce watering when the grapes begin to ripen. That is, when they change color. If you water too much, the grapes will not be sweet and the skin will crack. If you thirst them a little, the grapes will both accumulate sugar and become dark in color. Secret 3. Natural nutrition. Ash tincture. I do not use chemical fertilizers. I use ordinary wood ash. Put a can of ash in a bucket of water. Let it stand for a day and pour it under the grapes. This will protect the grapes from disease and make the fruit larger. Secret 4. Cleaning the leaves. Remove some of the leaves around the grapevine. The vine should be exposed to air. If there are too many leaves, moisture can accumulate and the grapes can rot. But do not pluck them all, lest the sun burn them. Secret 5. Patience. The most important thing. Just because the moondrops grapes turn black does not mean they are ripe. After it turns black, if you let it sit for another 10 days, its true taste and size will appear. Don't rush to pick it. If you are patient, it will be sweet as honey and very large. Conclusion. If you follow these 5 simple rules, you will have the same result. If you have any questions, write in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Greetings.